Hello guys, welcome to Newton tutorial. In this video I am going to solve the rest part of question number 1 from exercise 1.1. 1.1 question number 1 का 2 1 का 2 क्वेश्चन ये दिया है. We have to find the SCF of 196 and 38220 with the help of Euclid division algorithm. So we all know that for any number a and b, Euclid division algorithm, we have to find whole number q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r, where q is question, r is remainder, b is divisor and a is dividend. So according to this we have to find the SCF of 38220 and 196. First of all, we have to see which one is greater. It is clearly known that 38220 is greater than 196. So we will put 38220 in the place of a, 196 in place of b, and then question and then remainder. For knowing the question and remainder, we have to divide 38220 with 196. Then what we will see, one time we will get 196. It is nothing but it's 6, it's 8 and 1. Then again we will put this 2 over here. Then again 196 9 time we will get 17, 6 and 4. Then what we will do, we will again calculate. We will get 9, 8 definitely, and here nothing but we will put this 0 over here, and we will put 0 over here. And now 196 5 time we will get 980. So from the initial step only we can able to find the SCF of this two number, because in the first step only we got the remainder 0. So we will write like this: 38220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus remainder is nothing but 0. And we know the step where remainder comes 0, its divisor which is b, is known as the SCF of the given two number. So the SCF is nothing but 196 is SCF of 196 and 38220. I hope you understand this. Now we will do the next question. The next question is very easy. The question is, we have to find the SCF using Euclid division lemma. Algorithm is lemma, and 3867 and 225. We all know that 867 is greater than 225. So now we will put 867 in the place of a and 225 in the place of b, then question and then remainder. We will try it in a different manner, different from last two question. We will do it directly. So we have to divide first 867 with 225. 867 with 225. It 225 3 times comes 765. We will get 102. Then again in this step we find that 3 as a question remainder as 102. Now putting this as divisor, putting this as a divisor and 225 as a dividend, we'll find the next step. So 102 when multiply with 2, we will get 204 easily. इसके बाद तो नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं, we will get 204 and the remainder is 51. Then again we can write this question is 2 and the remainder is 51. Then again I will divide 51 with 102. We will get 2 times 51, 2 times will get 102. Now the remainder came 0, so remainder came 0 and question came 2 again, and divisor is nothing but 51 and dividend is 102. So we all know that at the step where remainders came 0, its divisor is nothing but the SCF of the given number 867 and 225. So I hope it is clear to all of you that what is Euclid division algorithm and how we can get the SCF of the given two number with the help of Euclid division algorithm. Hello friend, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for getting the notification of upcoming videos. I am going to solve all the question, each and every questions of NCERT textbook right here on the YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.